Hey 8th grade, this is Miss Harkness, and this video is for Eureka Module 2, Lesson 12, where we are looking at angles associated with parallel lines. In this video, I'm going to show you the different angle relationships and then how to solve for a missing angle measure. There's 6 standard types of angle relationships that we're really going to be looking at in this module, and they are corresponding, alternate interior, alternate exterior, vertical, same side interior, and same side exterior. So corresponding angles, that would be something like this angle right here, as well as this angle right here. As you can see, they are kind of in what we would call the same spot. They're both above the parallel line and to the right of the transversal. Let's look at another pair. Alternate interior, that would be like this one and this one, because they are inside the parallel lines, but on alternating sides of that transversal. We also have alternate exterior, which would be like this and here. They are on alternate sides of the transversal on the exterior of the parallel lines. Vertical angles you might recognize from 7th grade. That would be like these two, because they are diagonally across from each other. Same side interior, that would be something like this angle and this angle, because they're on the same side of the transversal and on the interior. And it's important to know that they add up to 180 degrees. And then we also have same side exterior, which would be like this one and this one. And they also equal 180 degrees. So those are the 6 definitions and locations on a grid that we really want to make sure that we are memorizing, so that way when I ask you, what is the relationship, you're able to answer my question. All right, let's look at a couple examples. Take this diagram. We have 2 parallel lines, K and I, and then we have our transversal L. So we have these 3 lines that we are looking at in this diagram. If I were to ask you what is the relationship between angle 1 and angle 5, what would you say? Corresponding is the correct answer. What about angles 3 and 6? They are same side interior, abbreviating there. What about angles 8 and angle 2? They're alternate exterior angles. Okay, so as you get more familiar with these, I could ask you any relationship and you should be able to solve. Let's make it a little more complex. All right, let's take it one step further. Here in this diagram, we have these 2 angles, and it would say solve for x. We're moving away from just solving for the angle measure and actually applying some algebraic concepts here. Well, we have to ask ourselves, what is the relationship between these 2 angles? Well, now that I've labeled it, I see it. These are corresponding angles. I know that corresponding angles are congruent, so I can set this as an equation equal to itself. 160 equals 8x. Well, now I can see it's a one-step equation. I would divide both sides by 8. And x equals 20. Again, I hope this video helps. This is Ms. Harkness for Module 2, Lesson 12.